Okay, so I got done plowing the driveway. Looks all right. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? So, I'll put in a little bit of footage right here. Now, with these cryptids, you know, this is a really good all-around tire. Corbin, one of my buddies, runs these on his quad, and they work pretty good in the mud. For big, deep skeg and deep mud, of course the Assassinators, they will outperform this because these are like a 2-inch lug, where those are like a 3-inch lug. But in this snowy condition, where, you know, it's slippery underneath, these are actually working really good. And then just playing through the snow, you know, we only got about 4 to 6 inches of snow in places here, but they're doing a really good job. I really want to get these swapped out, so I'm gonna jack these up, and we got our Assassinators, so we're gonna throw those on right now. So take your last look at these with the cryptids. Let's change. Now how about that? So these are a 14-inch MSA Vibe, and then these are 29.5 by 10 by 14 SuperAtv Assassinators. I measured this with the old tires on. The width sat at 64 inches. I got a tape measure laid down for you guys. We're sitting right about 68 now, between 68 and 69. So we gained 4 inches of width, and there's a lot of tires sticking out. Now remember, these do have the additional fender flares on them because it's the Xmr model, but we got pretty much half tire poke. And honestly and truly, I'm probably going to take the additional fender flares off because I know I'm just going to break them. But this thing looks retarded now. Measuring tire for height, those old tires that we had, they were a 30 by 10 cryptid. They actually, so the old tires we had, they were a 30 by 10 cryptid. They actually measure out to about 28 inches, which is kind of pathetic. These being a 29.5 with weight on them, you know, they're sitting right about that 29.5 still. So that's impressive because these actually still have miles on them, and you can tell that they are squatting just a little bit. But super happy. We're gonna run these. I know they're gonna roost. I know I'm gonna get covered and stuff, but I really like these tires. Having them on my quad, it just turned that thing into a monster. I'm pretty sure it'll be the same with this. So yeah, might get a little bit of footage now. Me and Ken are gonna actually go for a ride, so we'll set the GoPros up. We'll get as much footage as we can, but it is getting dark, so what we get is what we're gonna get. But we'll definitely have more videos coming on these, or like on this machine, so don't worry. Yeah, let's go play. On, ready?